Hey traders, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to discuss one of NinjaTrader's most powerful features for trade execution called Advanced Trade Management, or ATM Strategies for short. We'll cover what ATM strategies are, their key benefits, how to get them set up, and then show you how QTN can take these strategies to the next level. So let's get started. Okay, first, how do we access ATM strategies? I'm on a NinjaTrader chart right now, and I'm going to open up Chart Trader, which is this top button. ATM strategies can be found in the Chart Trader panel right below your account. So you can see ATM strategy. By default, it is none. If you click the drop down arrow, you'll have custom and none. If you click custom, this will pull up the custom strategy parameter window. So let's back up. What is an ATM strategy? An ATM strategy is just a way for you to predefine the parameters of your position for your strategy. You might have heard it called before a bracket order, but basically it provides a way for you to define ahead of time the order quantity that you'll want to trade, the time in force, and the target and stop loss orders that you want to be associated to your position. So let's go ahead and do an example. I'm going to say that we want to trade 10 contracts. And the neat thing about ATMs is it allows you to add multiple target and stop levels. So you can see by default we have one target level, but I'm going to go ahead and add another one. You can add multiple, but basically your order quantity total needs to add up to the quantity at each level. So in this scenario, our first one is going to be 4, the next level 3 contracts, and the next level 3 contracts. So we have 10 total contracts that we're going to be trading. Now, with each level, we need to define the stop loss order, where it should be placed, and where the profit order should be placed. You need to define how many ticks away from your entry should the first stop loss be placed. For this example, I'm going to put a 25 ticks stop loss. Next, you have the option for a profit target. So let's say I wanted to have a 40 tick profit target. You could put that in there. If you leave the profit target at 0, that will not place a profit target order. Stop strategies we will go over in another video, so I'll leave those alone for now. Then you would define for each level your stop loss and your profit target. For example, I'll put a 40 tick stop loss for level 2 with a 60 tick profit level, a 50 tick stop loss for level 3, and an 80 tick profit target for level 3. Just to be clear, these numbers are completely made up, and for illustration purposes, what you choose would depend on your exact strategy. Right now, we're just illustrating what the ATM strategy will do. So to recap, what we have is a position that is defined as quantity 10 with 3 levels defined, one with 4 contracts with a stop loss of 25, profit target of 40, level 2 with 3 contracts, stop loss of 40 ticks, profit target of 60 ticks, level 3 of 3 contracts, 50 tick stop loss, and an 80 tick profit target. There are also advanced features under more, but we'll cover those in a future video. You can save your ATM as a template so that you can switch between multiple configurations depending on the market conditions or the strategy that you're trading at the time. I'll name this one as ATM1 and then click OK. And now you'll see over here I have ATM1 as the selected strategy. I'm going to click Edit again, make a slight tweak, and just remove this bottom target level. Now I only have 7, so I'm going to change my total order quantity to 7 and save this as ATM2. Now I have 2 ATM strategies, and to switch between them, you can click the drop down arrow and you see I now have my 2 templates, which I can easily click between, and I have those set up. So what that will do is now when you place an order
Filled.
you can see we have the orders that we had configured in the ATM strategy. So our stop loss, we had 4 with a 25 tick stop loss. We had 3 with the 50 tick and 3 with the 60 tick stop loss. And we had our corresponding target levels placed where we defined them.
Order filled.
If I switch it to ATM2
Order
and
filled.
submit an order, I will have 7 contracts, each one with a stop loss and profit targets that we defined. So what's the benefit of an ATM strategy? Well, it may or may not be obvious, but it's very powerful to be able to define your strategy's parameters well ahead of time so that you're not making mistakes or missing trades because the market is moving too fast, or you place your trades in the incorrect position. This removes a lot of the manual work required for entering your trades. And with some of the advanced features, it can also manage some of your open positions. Now, ATM strategies are a key foundation to Quick Trade Ninja, as QTN uses the ATM strategy orders the profit targets and the stop losses, and allows you to have precise control when managing those stop loss and profit target orders. It allows you to move those orders to the exact spots that you need them. It allows you to change quantities or ATM strategies selected on the fly, and it allows you to place precision entries using ATM strategies. We'll cover all of these features in future videos, but just know that the ATM strategy is a key foundational piece in automating and setting up your NinjaTrader platform to work with QTN. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video useful. If you did and you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe and hit the bell notification so you can be notified of our future videos. I really appreciate that. It helps the channel grow and helps us reach more traders like you. Feel free to leave a comment below, and we'll look forward to seeing you in the next video.